Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from us once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak self-winding chronographs, reference number 26331OR.00.1220OR.01 versus the 26331OR.00.1220OR.02. For our purposes, I'll refer to the first as blue and the second as brown. First question you may have is you're probably wondering what these green or bluish things are on this bracelet. These are the actual manufacturer's stickers. This watch is going out today to a paying customer and came directly from our supplier with these manufacturer stickers. So aside from that, these two are essentially the same. The one main difference is the color in the dial. Both have the Grande Tapisserie texture. Both have pink gold cases, and the diameter for both of these cases is 41 millimeters, finger to thumb. And both have a glare-proof sapphire crystal screw-down lock crown. Both cases are water resistant to 50 meters underwater or only 11 millimeters in thickness. Both winding crowns operate the same way to wind the watch, set the date, move the minute hand for precise timekeeping. Both have chronograph pushers on either side of the winding crown to track time precisely. The bracelets on these are also 18 karat pink gold, both with the double deployment AP folding clasps. Both of these have the same exact movement, self-winding caliber 2385, 26.2 millimeters or 11.5 lines, a balance wheel frequency of 3 Hz, 21,600 vibrations per hour, monoblock in 18 karat gold, 37 joules annular balance spring with unidirectional automatic winding, totaling to 304 parts each, both with 40 hours of power reserve. So why even make this video if they're basically the same model? Why go over all these things when they're essentially the same? There must be a reason, there must be something that sets these two apart. Well, as I said earlier, it's a dial color. It comes down to aesthetics. The blue and brown have different implications, different ways of being read, different types of presence. The brown has the more classic feel and look, blending in with the 18 karat pink gold bezel and the case to give the pink gold applied hour markers that sort of taking command of any situation. The blue, however, is more evocative of, say, the ocean, the sky, depending on your lighting situation. And anything else that feels cool, perhaps like a crisp winter morning, fresh dive into the backyard pool. And what sets the blue apart from the brown is that the blue is actually the 20th anniversary edition, whereas the finishing was updated, typeset and transfers, and it has a stronger luminous encoding than, say, the much older models with the, non-textured backgrounds. And as you can see in the darkness, they both look pretty much the same. And turning the lights back on. So to me, the brown is much more likely a classic type of model. Certainly, Audemars Piguet could have left well enough alone with the blue dial, but certainly is a workhorse among the Royal Oak self-winding chronographs. The brown, however, feels much more down to business and direct to the point when compared to the aesthetically beautiful blue. The brown is what I would wear given a choice of the two if I needed to seal a deal my way and to maintain that robust and professional sensibility. The blue, however, is what I would wear in a more relaxed environment, certainly while at a gathering where it's much more likely to be noticed, while all the heavy important business is essentially left at the front door. So if we're talking speed, say if you had a non-stop on-the-go lifestyle and you had to choose between the two, the blue would still be my way to go. That's because the cool blue really helps the warmer tones of the pink, gold, and the hour markers to just pop much more, which gives this timepiece's readability a huge boost over the brown when you're taking a very quick glance at the dial. And so it's almost as if it's asking the brown, like, well, which one of us is actually direct and to the point? So what are your thoughts on these? I personally haven't met someone who didn't like a nice tone of blue over that of brown. So do any of you actually prefer the brown over the blue? Do you think you'll be replacing your blue with this brown or brown with this blue for, whatever sort of look that you're going for? Let us know down in the comments below. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and you can put in your order at jazztime.com on either or both of these watches. You can compare them yourself, you can wear both of them. It's up to you, and we will see you there soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.